press on toenails. So yes. Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I am Desiree Nicole, and I discuss all things like beauty, DIY, lifestyle, things like that. If you don't know, I am a 100% press-on nail girly. I love the convenience of press-on nails. I love how versatile they are. I just love all things regarding press-on. So if you're on the nail side of TikTok a lot like I am, then you've already seen or heard about the press-on toenails. Yes, you've heard that correctly. Press-on toenails. They make press-ons for your toes. So yes, your girl went to Amazon and I bought the press-ons from Btartbox. I'll put them here. These are the ones that I bought. I am such a huge fan of Btartbox. I actually have their nails on right now with the French. I don't know if you can see them, but yes, I love their press-ons. I bought them and I tried them out because why not? You know what I'm saying? What could it hurt? So yeah, when I saw that they created press-on toenails, I was like, click, add to cart. We're gonna try them out because I'm going on vacation soon and I need something quick that I can just put on and still look cute. So now I have French on my hands and French on my toes. So I'll walk you guys through the process in this video of how I applied it. I've had these on now for a week. And so I'll give you guys all the deets on how they've held up after the gym, after showers, after the pool, all that good stuff. So if you want to know more, just keep on watching, and who knows, you might become a press-on toenail girly yourself, okay? All right, y'all, so this is what the box looks like from Btartbox. And like I said, I did get these off of Amazon. It was only about $15 or so. And I believe these nails can be used with Gel X or any type of like gel glue. I just personally don't use gel glue anymore, but you can, I believe the directions said that you could use it with gel glue if that's something that you're interested in. So the box came with instructions, it came with like the little sticky tabs, it came with a little thing of glue and some alcohol wipes. So the first thing that I did was I went and measured out all the nails to see which nail would line up with my toenail. And y'all, these nails lined up really, really well. Like, I don't know if you can see that there, but they lined up almost perfectly. It was crazy. Once I had all my nails lined up, I went in and kind of did like a touch up on my feet. And y'all cannot believe I'm showing y'all my feet this close up, but yeah, I just went in and kind of like trimmed off like dead skin, try to get my little cuticle area right. And anytime I do press on nails, or whether it's Gel X or regular press on nails, I always buff out the nail first, and then I go in with my drill and I file the inside of the false nail. And this just helps the nail to last a lot longer, whether you're using the glue in the box or you're using like a Gel X glue or anything like that. It helps it to adhere better. I don't know. So yeah, I did end up using the glue that came with the kit. I just did this because I want to see how well the glue would last personally. So yeah, I just started from the outside and worked my way in with all of the nails. And the little tabs that they have on the end of the nails, they come in clutch, okay? Because like, it made it super, super easy to apply. You know, you didn't have to worry about getting glue on your fingers or anything like that. And when you were finished, you just cut them off. So yeah, they came on, the little tabs came on all of the nails except for the big toe. Once I had all the toenails on, I went through and just clipped off the little tabs. And then I didn't show it on here, I don't think, but I ended up filing the nail down a little bit just to get that little stubby part off. Afterwards, I took a clear top coat just because I like to have that little shine, and I went over all of the nails. And then I applied my cuticle oil, which I don't think I showed as well, but I did apply cuticle oil and moisturize my feet and all that good stuff. And yeah, you guys, this is the end result. Like, look at that. I was blown away. I'm not even gonna lie. These look like my toenails. They look like I just got out of the nail salon and had a really nice pedicure. The blend is flawless. Do you guys see down there by my cuticle? Like, you can't even tell where the nail starts and where, like, it's just, they came out beautiful. And like I said, I did have these nails on for, I'm going on a week and a half now that I've had these toenails on. I am going on vacation in like a day or two. So we'll see how they hold up for that. But so far they've been holding up perfect. I've been in the pool multiple times. I've soaked in my bathtub a couple of times. I've been going to the gym like 3 to 4 times a week. And I will say these nails are a little long for me in a tennis shoe, so I did end up cutting them down just a little bit more. But yeah, y'all, I will rate this a 10 out of 10. So if you're on the fence, it's worth a shot, you know, let me know. Would you try press-on toenails? And as always, thanks so much for watching. Love you guys. Bye. So, yes? You're making me feel weird.
You know, there's something that YouTubers do to make it less awkward when they talk.
What do they do?
Make a script.
I know, but I didn't have a script. I'm just winging it. Press on the, let me start over. What they do, script it and put it behind the camera and read off of it?
Yeah.
But it don't seem as natural, you know what I'm saying? I want to be like I'm just talking to my girls, you know? But anywho,